NEOM, led by Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed Ben Salman, is a massive development project in Saudi Arabia. Not just a smart city, but a region with multiple cities and resorts. Funded mainly by the Public Investment Fund, contributing $500 billion, it aims to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy as part of the Vision 2030 plan. The first step in this plan is called the Line. But what is the specialty of this mega project? Is being the largest construction project ever one of the specialties? Let's find out. But before we move into that, why don't you take a minute to like and subscribe to the channel? NEOM's The Line is part of Saudi Arabia's big plan called Saudi Vision 2030. This vision aims to make the country's economy, culture, and society more diverse. Right now, Saudi Arabia heavily relies on selling oil, and they want to change that. The Line is a massive project within NEOM, stretching 170 kilometers. It's like a city, but way bigger, connecting mountains to the Red Sea coast, and meant for around 9 million people in a 34 square kilometer area. What's interesting about the Line is its design. It wants to preserve nature as much as possible, so it's built tall and dense. This means a lot of people living closely together, but the idea is that everyone can easily access parks and green spaces. It's all about living in harmony with nature. The Line promises clean air by not producing any carbon dioxide. It plans to use only renewable energy, like solar and wind power. They even want to make hydrogen, which is a clean energy source. The city will have no traditional roads or cars, making it more environmentally friendly. In terms of convenience, the Line aims to have everything you need within a short walk, like schools, homes, and workspaces. Transportation is designed to be super efficient, taking only 20 minutes to travel from one end to the other. Artificial intelligence will run things smoothly, making life easier for people. The city's climate is also carefully thought out, ensuring it's comfortable year-round. The hope is to attract smart and talented people, making it a great place to live and work. They want to create a city that's advanced in technology, making life better for everyone. However, there are doubts about turning the Line's impressive drawings into real buildings. Some say it might be difficult to build living spaces high up on ledges, and that the city's long design could cause problems with wind flow, making it uncomfortable for people living there. One big issue is the promise to be carbon neutral, meaning not adding any carbon dioxide to the air. The problem is that building something so huge requires a lot of materials. And even if they use materials that are supposed to be low carbon, making them takes a lot of energy, likely from burning fossil fuels. This could contribute to carbon emissions, and experts estimate it could be quite a lot. Another concern is about human rights and privacy. The city plans to use a lot of data and AI, raising worries about surveillance. Saudi Arabia has a history of keeping an eye on dissent, so people are concerned about their privacy. But that's not the only problem. The Line project is causing problems for a group of people called the Huwaitat tribe. These are indigenous people who have been living in a certain area for a very long time, and their way of life is closely tied to that land. Unfortunately, the construction of the Line means these tribe members are being told to leave their homes, the places where their families have lived for generations. This is a big issue because it's not just about physical displacement. It's also causing the Huwaitat tribe to lose their cultural traditions and history connected to that specific land. Imagine being asked to leave your home, the place where your family has always lived. It's a significant loss for them. To make matters worse, there are reports that if anyone from the Huwaitat tribe speaks out or tries to oppose being forced to leave, they might face strict punishments. In summary, the Line is a fascinating idea for a super modern and eco-friendly city, but there are real challenges in making it happen. Questions about construction, environmental impact, and worries about human rights and privacy need to be addressed for this grand vision to become a reality. So, would you live in a city like this? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments section what you would like to see next.